Welcome to our weekly update and welcome to Gardening with Ben. What a busy week we have had down at the allotment. First off was repairing the polytunnel due to the high winds that we had last week. Yeah, we had some damage to it, but we've taped it back up and hopefully it will last a bit longer. The spring bulbs are looking more stunning every time that I come down. All the tulips are starting to open up now and are absolutely looking gorgeous. So they're coming on really well. All the raised beds, they're coming on. Everything's germinating in here. The peas are starting to pop through now. 800 peas. So hopefully we have a bumper crop of peas in here. Like I said, it's 30 degrees in here. So I don't know why I'm wearing a jumper, but yes, it's absolutely boiling. So hopefully those will speed up and get growing pretty fast. And when they get big enough, we'll put some netting up to help cling them on and help the support of growing them. We've also planted all our onions. All our onions are out and planted. We've got 3 varieties. We've got a red one, we've got a champion one and a sturgeon one. So 3 varieties of onions. They were grown in cell trays to start off with to get them growing well, and then we planted them out. They look better than my winter onions. My winter onions aren't looking very good, but we'll keep them in for the time being and see how they get on. But yeah, they're coming along pretty well, the spring summer onions. So yeah, they're doing pretty well. We've also been planting some gladiolus. We've had 100 gladiolus to plant, so we've planted those all in plant pots, as obviously I have issues with the squirrels down here, so I want to keep them netted until they're big enough, and then when they're big enough, then we'll take the netting off and let them grow. So hopefully we'll have a beautiful display of gladiolus down here this year. Obviously you can have them as a cut flower or as a display flower, and I'm going to have them as a display flower because it'll help the pollinators down here come down and enjoy them. So yeah, we've done that. We've also been busy with doing some weeding because it's been nice weather, and yeah, it's been pretty glorious down here and things are certainly shooting up. The plum trees are coming out into blossom. I've been helping them by giving them a little tickle with a paintbrush to help with the pollination. Although there is bees around, a little bit of help gets more produce, so we want lots of plums this year on our Victoria plum trees. So I've been helping pollinate them and hopefully we'll get some decent plums on them. And obviously now is the time to start doing a lot of watering because things are drying out fast because it is getting warmer. Yes, we did have snow the other day, but it is warm in the polytunnel and in the greenhouse, so we're having to keep things watered and keep looking after things because obviously things dry out pretty much. So yeah, we have had a busy week down here, and I've probably not mentioned everything that I've done because I've probably forgotten it. But yeah, it's going to be a busy few weeks down here. We've got some exciting things to be showing you and lots of new items that we're getting for the allotment. So stay tuned for that. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.